Have you ever smiled on the outside while silently hurting on the inside? Emotional pain can leave invisible scars that affect your confidence, relationships, and even your purpose. The good news is that healing is possible. Today, we're exploring 5 powerful ways to heal from emotional pain, and some of them may come as a surprise.
Number 1, stop hiding your pain. Healing begins with honesty. Many people suppress their emotions, hoping they'll disappear. They won't. Acknowledge what hurt you. When you face your pain, instead of running from it, you take the first step toward freedom.
Number 2, change the story you tell yourself. Pain often creates negative beliefs like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never recover." Replace those lies with truth. Your past does not define your future. Each day is an opportunity to rewrite your story.
Number 3, forgive, not because they deserve it, but because you need peace. Forgiveness doesn't excuse bad behavior. It releases the burden you've been carrying. Choosing forgiveness allows your heart to heal and creates room for joy to return.
Number 4, feed your mind with hope. What you consistently listen to and think about shapes your emotional health. Read uplifting books. Listen to encouraging messages, spend time in prayer, and meditate on God's promises. Hope is a powerful medicine for a wounded heart.
Number 5, turn your pain into purpose. Some of the strongest people are those who refuse to let their pain define them. Instead, they used it to encourage others. Your greatest testimony may come from the hardest season of your life.
Remember, emotional healing doesn't happen overnight. Every small step moves you closer to peace. Don't give up on yourself. God can restore what pain has tried to destroy and bring beauty from brokenness.
If this message encouraged you, like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who needs hope today. Together, let's grow stronger, live with purpose, and discover the power of healing.